It's everywhere and it surrounds us, and if you don't understand it, you will fall a victim to it.
EW is maintaining freedom of maneuver inside the electromagnetic spectrum and denying the freedom of maneuver to your adversaries.
If you interfere with radar, you can dismantle a weapon, but if you interfere with communications, you dismantle a complete arsenal.
It's what we call the invisible war. One of the most prevalent forms of EW that you'll see deployed in the Ukraine conflict is things such as GPS jamming. So with drones being remotely controlled, if you can remove GPS as a factor, it means they can't steer, you can't target them, and a precision munition which might hit, normally a very small target, then all of a sudden they're just more random, they're less targeted. The theme of the summer school is the future EW engineer. And the idea is not only to teach them about what the future of EW is going to be, but also to build that community. So these early career EW scientists and engineers coming together, build those networks and enhance EW within NATO as a whole.
So we've got lectures on different techniques for electronic warfare, for jamming, for anti-jamming, for protection.
I always knew that collaboration was important, mostly because of the current political situation. I think it's very important that the NATO nations collaborate with each other and the different institutions.
Getting to interact with people who are working in Europe and North America, it was so interesting to learn about what they're doing, and also learning that we kind of have similar experiences as well. It kind of makes the world feel a little bit smaller, but in a nice way.
People are trying to tackle the same problems from maybe different directions, and that gives you ideas how you can solve your own problems.
It is really important where we can meet from military organizations, from industry, also academic, in order to improve the strategic position between NATO nations.
AI is going to change everything about EW. EW has always been done by human engineers. AI can make decisions faster than humans and be able to handle patterns and detect patterns more effectively than humans. And when we think about the young engineers, these are the most creative people on Earth. They haven't got stuck in a rut.
It was really helpful having the military advisors there talking about some of the real-world challenges of employing electromagnetic warfare capabilities, the sorts of things that we as engineers and scientists don't necessarily consider, but fundamentally affect how those capabilities are used on the modern battlefield.
It's not enough to have good technology, you need to have good operators as well. And so the combination of those two is extremely important, and that's not something you really get from classroom theory alone.
Well, a little message for young scientists. Do not afraid to be creative. We have to prepare ideas and to have good products which will be very effective in soldiers' hands.
It's fantastic that STO is bringing all of these people together. It's a fascinating and rapidly changing area. Bring your intelligence, your innovation to this, because we need you.